There's a new way for brands to build trust and loyalty with consumers, and you've probably been hearing a lot about it. It's called zero-party data. So what exactly is it? I'm Margaret from Attentive, and I'm here to tell you about it. Zero-party data is information that consumers willingly share about themselves and their preferences to help brands provide better experiences for them. Sounds pretty good, right? The thing is, brands are facing a privacy and personalization paradox. Say that 10 times fast. People want to feel understood by brands, but they don't always want to share their data. For example, 49% of consumers say they're frustrated by receiving irrelevant content in offers. Also, 45% of consumers aren't comfortable sharing their personal data in exchange for better experiences. See the paradox? Zero-party data solves this privacy personalization issue. Actively asking consumers about their preferences directly helps brands understand them better. Delivering the experiences your customers want comes with an impressive payoff. 91% of consumers say they're likely to make a repeat purchase from brands that hear their needs. Wow, that is impressive. Historically, first-party data and zero-party data have been lumped together because both types are owned by brands and collected directly from their consumers. That assumption misses a key distinction that's becoming even more important as marketers move away from third-party data. Basically, it all comes down to how it's collected. First-party data is information that you as a marketer can collect through your own channels and properties. Think website, email, you get the idea. You can capture the data around what your customers are doing, from the products they browse or the messages they open. First-party data is an important part of your personalization strategy, but it doesn't give you the full picture when it comes to your audience's needs and preferences. Allow me to illustrate. Think about the last time you bought an item of clothing online and had to return it. Maybe it was too big, or it was too itchy. If the brand doesn't know why you've returned it, they won't know which sweaters they should recommend in the future. You see? Quite the itchy pickle. But if you're asked why you returned the red sweater, through a quiz, survey, or a two-way text messaging conversation, your response is zero-party data. This type of information comes straight from the consumer. They're more likely to share their preferences if they believe it brings them value, like softer, more flattering sweaters. And who doesn't want those? When you put both first and zero-party data at the center of your marketing strategy, you'll see some serious benefits. For example, when shoppers share their contact information with you directly, you're able to cut through the noise and really communicate with them. Conversational channels like SMS are particularly effective when it comes to engaging directly with your shoppers because they're real conversations. When you get data directly from your customers, you know that data is accurate. Collecting information via quiz responses can tell you whether a shopper is interested in a pair of jeans or a pair of shoes. Being able to target your messages with their preferences right off the bat saves you time and money. Shoppers are putting their trust in your brand when they share their preferences. Delivering personalized experiences shows you respect their preferences, understand them, and care about delivering relevant experiences. All of this helps build loyalty and grow more authentic connections with your customers, which is exactly what both of you want. It's important to remember that zero-party data doesn't replace first-party data. Both are really important parts of a solid marketing strategy. First-party data gives your brand a foundation for your personalization strategies, while zero-party data enables you to deliver even more closely personalized experiences. Customers are more willing to share their preferences if they feel confident that they'll immediately get something of value in return, like a special offer or a spot-on recommendation. For example, 86% of recently surveyed consumers said they'd share personal and preference data with a brand for early or exclusive access to products and offers. And value doesn't necessarily have to be tangible. 55% of consumers say they'd share their data to feel like they're part of a brand's community. Asking consumers questions is a great way to collect zero-party data. Product Finder quizzes take things one step further by saving your customers time and helping them find exactly what they want while having some fun along the way. And who doesn't want to have some fun? Brands are then able to use this information to customize future interactions like sharing new products or promotions. By creating better and more personalized experiences, brands can gain trust and build lasting relationships with customers. And when you've created those relationships, everybody wins. Thanks so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful and subscribe for more SMS marketing tips. Want to learn more about Attentive? Reach out to us to request a demo, and I'll see you next time.